Introducing the Alfresco ARXE-42. This ultimate refrigeration solution for your outdoor kitchen is designed to keep your ingredients fresh and your beverages perfectly chilled. This system is adjustable from 27 to 56 degrees. We know that regular liquids freeze at 32 degrees and beer a little bit colder, so this is perfectly acclimated for either food or beverage storage. You'll enjoy this customizable storage solution, including the adjustable shelves and storage bins. This allows you to organize your items efficiently, maximizing space and convenience. Looks like the cutout dimensions on this unit, you're looking at 42.5-inch wide by 21 3/4 high. This unit does have a depth of 23 1/8, and that does not include the power cord. Visit us at kitchenfoundry.com. Click the link at the top right-hand corner of the screen. Take you straight to our webpage where you can buy the ARXE42. Visit our showroom, 4945 East Hunter Avenue in Anaheim, California, 92807. Give us a call with product questions, 949-275-4496.